Introducing the new Learning Lao Vowels with Final Consonants series, a fun and engaging way for children to master the Lao language. This 12-book series is designed for early learners. Each book follows the adventures of Kanya, a young girl navigating her exciting first year in school. As children read about Kanya's experiences, from the first day at school to shyness on Teacher's Day to making new friends, they also learn important life lessons. Through Kanya's journey, children are introduced to emotions like courage, empathy, and gratitude, all while mastering key Lao vowels with final consonants. Each book in the series includes 12 guided reading videos, printable post-reading activities, and teacher support materials, making it perfect for classrooms or home learning. Teachers can use these materials to create interactive, fun lessons that follow monthly themes from September to August, giving children a year-long language learning journey with Kanya. Children not only develop their language skills, but they also build emotional intelligence. From dealing with worries about exams to showing kindness to friends, every story offers valuable lessons that children can relate to. Perfect for children, parents, and teachers looking to master the Lao language in a meaningful and fun way. Get your copy of the Learning Lao Vowels with Final Consonants series today, and happy learning Lao!